Building Dreams. The story of A Castle in the Air. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words. A castle in the air. This expression is not only beautiful but also rich in meaning, and understanding it can add a magical touch to your English vocabulary. Let's explore together what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, "a castle in the air," refers to dreams, hopes, or plans that are impractical, unrealistic, or impossible to achieve. It's similar to building a castle on clouds, where it's impossible for it to have a solid foundation. This expression beautifully captures the idea of daydreaming or aspiring to goals that are perhaps a bit too lofty or disconnected from reality. Understanding the origins of this phrase adds depth to its meaning. The concept of castles in the air has been around for centuries, appearing in various cultures and languages. It's believed to have been popularized in English literature during the 19th century, but the idea of building in the sky or having unattainable dreams goes back much further. This historical context enriches the phrase, showing how the human tendency to dream big is a universal and timeless trait. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate "a castle in the air" into your English conversations and writing. 1. Describing unrealistic plans. You might use it when talking about someone's plans that seem too ambitious or disconnected from reality. For example, John's idea of quitting his job to become a famous singer seems like a castle in the air. 2. Expressing big dreams. It can also be used in a more positive light, to express admiration for someone's big dreams, albeit acknowledging their challenge. Her plan to start a business that solves all of our environmental issues is a beautiful castle in the air. 3. Reflecting on personal aspirations. In a more introspective use, you might describe your own lofty ambitions or daydreams. Sometimes, I think my dream of living on Mars is just a castle in the air. Understanding and using phrases like "a castle in the air" enriches your English communication, allowing you to express complex ideas beautifully and succinctly. Whether it's to describe unrealistic plans, big dreams, or simply to appreciate the art of dreaming big, this phrase adds a poetic touch to your language skills. We hope this video has inspired you to build your own castles in the air and talk about them confidently in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, dreams might start as castles in the air, but with effort and planning, they don't always have to stay that way. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep reaching for those castles in the sky.